Hello, come on in.
Hey, nice to see you.
Nice to see you as well.
Oh, we're so excited to be here.
Yeah, we're excited to have you.
Thank you. This is Mary Jo from HJ60 Homes, and I'm so excited. We are here with Aaron Hughes, and he is a genuine flipper remodeler, and talk about his process before the house comes to market. So Aaron, thanks for letting us come in.
Awesome. So I'm Aaron with Blue Barn Homes, and we are a real estate company. We purchase homes directly from sellers. We do all of our own marketing. We've been in business for about a little bit over 2 years.
Wow.
Yeah, and we love working with the sellers that we work with, and we love doing it.
So what is that process? What kind of homes are you looking for, Aaron?
Yeah, basically we're looking for homeowners that are in tough situations. So whether that's a probate situation where mom and dad have passed away,
Right.
the home's been vacant for quite some time, whether you're facing foreclosure or even pre-foreclosure, which is starting before the foreclosure process,
Right.
or if you just don't want to, list on the MLS because you think your home needs a little bit of work.
A little bit.
Yeah.
When people start into foreclosure, it's very scary for
It's
them.
extremely scary. Yes.
And they don't know who to talk to, and they're always embarrassed.
Mhm.
So having someone that they can trust really guide them through it's huge.
Yeah, it's a huge part of the process. Like I've never been through foreclosure. I can never imagine what that would be like, but I can only imagine how scary it would be to.
I remember working with a lot of them, and taught life after foreclosure or short sale, because everybody's in a very dire mental state at that point.
Yeah.
So you are a real help. So you buy in as is condition?
Yeah, so we purchase an as-is condition. So whether you think your home needs just some minor facelifts, if it's like resanding the floors and some paint, or if you need a full remodel. I mean, this home actually had a furnace from the 1950s when this home was built.
I saw it outside. Yes.
It was pretty
Whoa!
old.
Santa Claus didn't bring that.
No, definitely not. But we want to be able to help anybody that we possibly can.
Terrific. So this is like an early 1950s home?
Yes.
Okay. It's a typical Rambler or it's actually a story and a half.
It's a story and a half. It's about a little bit under 900 square feet on the first level. There's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom on the main level. We're actually finishing this square footage upstairs. We're going to add additional living space upstairs with a bedroom or living room.
Okay.
And then we're going to finish the basement and add another bathroom and another bedroom. So it's going to be a lot of square footage.
So can we just take a look at the kitchen?
Yeah,
and then
come
walk
on.
through?
Yeah, so this is the kitchen right now. So we've demoed it, we've ripped out the cabinets, we're basically getting this prepped to put new cabinets in and make it a home again, because this was pretty distressed. I mean, the cabinets were original,
Yes.
the sink was original, the light fixtures were original, and like you can see on the walls, it just needs some love.
And the basement you're finishing off.
Yep.
So you're going to do 1 or 2 bedrooms on there? You
So-
mentioned it and that went right by me.
Yeah, so we're gonna do 1 bedroom and then we're gonna do an additional bathroom down there. And so it'll bring about the total finished square footage up to just shy of about 1,800, 1,900 square feet. So it'll be,
that's generous.
it's a lot for the neighborhood.
Yes. Well, especially because it's a small footprint, so you're going to get a lot of square footage out of even a smaller footprint.
Yeah, literally the only thing that we're not doing on this house is the windows. I mean, it's a new roof. We repainted the siding. It's a full rehab for us.
Wonderful. Do you want to guide us through the bedrooms? Just
Yeah.
a quick look?
Certainly. So this is the main living room, the main level. So we've got 1 bedroom over here.
People
And
like the color to cheer up.
yeah, we're not keeping this color. We're actually going to be painting it. So we'll paint the trim, we'll paint the walls, we'll resand these floors, we'll upgrade some of the vents and electrical as well, and just kind of bring it up to 2023 standards, because we know it's tough to buy a home right now at an affordable price.
Right.
So with buyers, we just want to be able to give them a home they don't have to do anything to.
And every market is different. During the recession, I was telling your wife, everybody wanted to buy an $80,000 home. And I go, no, you don't. And they go, yeah, we do. So I show them. They go, we can't live here. And I know that.
I mean, I couldn't imagine a first-time home buyer coming in here and seeing this home. Like, it is a lot of work even for us, and we do this for a living.
Buyers don't really understand the magnitude of the work that goes into it, or the knowledge that you have to do it right. So they can paint, but I would stop them at that because the rest of it gets technical and it can affect the function of the whole house. And I see you've already gutted the basement or the bathroom.
Yeah, so we've already gutted the bathroom, and it's definitely not, it's fairly decent sized for the home, for the year that it was built. And so when we gutted this bathroom, it had ugly tile floors. The tub has been neglected. There's a lot of the house in general just needs some love, and there was a lot of love that needed to be happened in the bathroom. So we'll fully tile these floors. We will
I would say there needs to be a rebirth.
Yeah, tile the shower surround, and then we'll put in a new, I don't know if we're gonna do a new tub up here or downstairs, but we're definitely gonna make this definitely livable again.
Okay, so this is a little bigger bedroom.
Yep, and this is another bedroom. So like I said, in here is kind of similar to the other room. Is we'll paint the trim, we'll add new trim, paint the walls, fix the windows, add new doors, and new light fixtures and stuff too.
That's terrific. How long do you think this whole process is going to take here on this house?
That's a great question. I mean, typically, I would say it would take us about 3 months. And
Okay.
we move pretty fast compared to most individuals. And the reason is we like to focus on, we're specific to the areas that we invest in. And we don't go all across the county. We don't go all across the metro. We focus in South Minneapolis, Southwest Minneapolis, Richfield, and Bloomington. So we don't take on a ton of projects.
Okay.
So we can get in and out pretty quick.
Okay, so final question. What do you want buyers and sellers to know about you and your company?
Oh, that's another great question. I would want buyers to know is we're local to Minnesota. I was born and raised in Richfield, Minnesota. My wife, who's our project manager, she holds her general contracting license, and she was born and raised in Bloomington. So we know this area extremely
Yay!
well. Yeah.
Good for her.
And we actually used to live in the Morris Park neighborhood too. So we're very familiar with Southwest Minneapolis, and we just want them to know that we're real people and we've been here for our entire lives.
And sellers, what do you want sellers to know if they want to, if they're interested, or if they have, especially families that are in probate, what do you want them to know?
Yeah, I would say for our sellers that are experiencing the probate process is it can be daunting and expensive. And I've never actually had to go through the process with a loved one, but I've gone through the process with our sellers, and there's a lot of heavy lifting that needs to happen. You know, getting the stuff out of the house, making sure you're not throwing away documents that you need to keep. So if you have any questions, our website has a ton of information about the probate process.
Tell them your website.
And you can go to www.bluebarnhomesmn.com.
Perfect. Thanks, Aaron.
Yeah, thank you.
We're coming back to see progress.
Will do.
We'll do a whole series up until the end. Thanks for letting us through.